In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add average daily range indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the ADR indicator up and running on your charts so you can immediately start using it to understand how much an asset typically moves in a day. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open for any market you're interested in, like a stock, forex pair, or crypto. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the time frames and layout controls. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open the main Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search and browse everything TradingView offers. Inside that window, you'll see several categories along the left side or along the top, depending on your layout. You want to click on the section labeled Technical. This category groups together all the built-in technical indicators that come with TradingView, so you don't have to dig through community scripts unless you want to. After you click on Technical, you'll see a long list of indicators along with a search bar at the top. This is where you go to find the specific indicator you want to add to your chart. In the search bar, start typing average daily range. TradingView will filter the list as you type, so you should quickly see the average daily range indicator appear in the results. When you see average daily range in that list, all you need to do is click on it once. The indicator will automatically be added to your chart. You'll see new lines or an overlay that shows you the typical range an asset moves during a trading day based on historical price data. This can help you set more realistic profit targets. Identify when price has already moved a lot for the day and avoid chasing moves that are overextended. If you want to fine-tune how it looks or how many days it uses for the calculation, you can open the indicator's settings by hovering over its name on the chart and clicking the settings icon. If you're not already on TradingView Pro and you'd like to unlock the full set of tools and indicators, including what you've seen here, use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you can follow along with all my tutorials and make the most out of your charting setup.